My top tip for looking after yourself and your guests is to invest in a good microwave oven. Now I tend to think of them as still quite new, but actually they've been around since 1947. I struggled on for years using my old gas oven. I was always having to bend down and I was always dropping things, and I was either burning myself or the dinner. Make sure that your microwave is on a flat work surface at a nice height. You can get all sorts of tasty and healthy meals these days, and I always add a few fresh ingredients just to liven things up. The timer comes in handy, and it's a lot easier to clean than the old gas oven. Proper little microwave master chef I am. Delicious.